We are in the back of the house, so we check what is our project for today. Okay, this is our project for today to make 6 legs and put on the cover on the table. It's like a small table and dresser. So this one is a small cabinet or computer or display table. So this is our, and this is another project to finish that today. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 4 and 5 projects for today. So we try to finish that before starting to cutting the couch in the front of the house. Okay, so that is our objectives for today. After we finish these 2 projects in the park in the garage, so for today we do it now. After I change my clothes, after I go to church, so we need to rest for a while before starting the 5 projects for today. Okay, because tomorrow it's raining time, so I hope we finish that all this project for today because it's sunny, it's a nice weather and warm. Okay, then after we fix that, we sandering the paper, we sandering the 5 projects to remove the dust and mold to starting to painting by next week. Okay guys, we do it later after pick up some other important person. Okay, so subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming video for this week and next week to my YouTube channel. Okay, say good guys.